Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome back to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to create user profile page. Okay, so here I will go to urls.py first and here I will create endpoint of user profile. So I will just replicate this URL below and I will give user hyphen profile, then slash. Here I will pass str and I will give user underscore name. Okay, and then slash. So here username will be coming dynamically according to the logged in user. If I am logging with another user, then they will show me like something like this slash authors. So authors slash, then it will go for user profile, user hyphen profile slash admin slash user. This URL will be creating like this. Okay, we will see this. I will show you. For now we are on home page. So after doing this we will give function name as profile and I will just copy this profile and I will just paste it in names. Okay, in name. Now I will go to views.py. On very down below the logout function I will create another method def profile, then I will give request and then I will pass this variable which I have created over here. Okay, done. Now here we need to filter the data which are coming from database. So I will say user underscore related underscore data is equals to blog dot objects dot filter, and here I will be filtering according to author. So we have author field in our blog model, right? So I will show you that also. This is our blog model and we have author. So we are going to fetch users data according to author and we are going to filter it out. So I will give author. Now this author has foreign key to user model. So we need to go to author and then we need to fetch username and or user from this user model. So we will give underscore underscore username and which will be equal to this variable. Okay, all good. Now we need to import a block from the main app. So from main.models import block. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to pass this field, this user related data in our profile.html. So return render request. Here it will be let me see, authors slash profile.html. I will just copy this and I will create user profile.html in authors folder, templates and author. So right click, paste that name and hit enter. Now once this has been done, what I will do is I will go to navbar.html. Now here I am just going to find our username. Yes, here it is, and I will just pass URL and I will give profile and here I will give user.username. Okay, because we are passing username over here, right? So come over here, refresh, I will click on admin. We have be directed to the profile.html. So you can see the URL authors, user profile and the admin, right? The username. This will be coming dynamically. If you will log in with John, then here you will see John username. Okay, now I'll go to profile.html. I will extend the base.html, so extends base.html, and here I will create block. It will be content, and here I write profile, so h1. Let's see. Okay, everything is good. Now I will go to getbootstrap.com and I will just search for the card. So components, card, and let's see which card is suitable for us. Okay, I will copy this one. This is nice. So I'll just copy. I will remove this h1 tag. I'll paste it over here. Okay, come over here, refresh, and I will remove this style also. Refresh. Okay, it's taking full width. I want this type of card only, and then I don't want text inside the card green, so I will just remove this text success, and then let's see. Okay, here I will remove success card title, and here I will pass the first name, last name, username, and email ID of our admin user. So before that, in header I will write user dot username and apostrophe s profile, so it will be something like this, admin's profile, and I will just increase the size of the text, so it will be fs-4. let's see. Okay, it's good, and I will say text hyphen boulder. Okay, this is not working. I'll just remove it. Never mind. Okay, this is working fine. Now here I will give first name, which will be user dot first underscore name. I will copy for last name, then I will also copy for username. So username, first name, last name, then I will again copy for the email. Right, save it, come over here, refresh. I will correct this thing also, it's everywhere first name, so last name, no, here it will be username, so name, first name, last name, and here it will be email. Refresh. Okay, now you can see that admin don't have first name, last name, and email. So if I show you admin panel, then you can see admin user don't have first name, last name, and email ID. So in this case, what we are going to do is we will check for first name. If user don't have first name, then we will show the info alert, okay, or let's say warning alert. So what I will do here, we will do for if loop. So I will just indent all these tags. Yeah, here I will also write comment that check username. Okay, so if user dot username, then show us the username. Okay, else we are going to find alert from bootstrap. So alert, we will copy warning alert. So warning, yes, this is the, I'll just paste over here and I will write in b tag. So b tag user name is not provided by user. Save it, come over here, refresh. So since we have username, so this error will not be shown. So I will again write one another comment for checking first name. So check first underscore name. Okay, if user dot first underscore name, then show us the first name, otherwise we will show the warning. So I'll copy this and paste it, right? So here instead of username I will write first name. Come over here, refresh. Now you can see we have got first name is not provided by user. Same way we will go for the last name. So last name, I will just copy this whole loop, paste it. I will copy this last underscore name, I will paste it here, here, and instead of first I'll write last, and I'll remove this p tag from here. And same way we are going to check for email ID. Check email, right? And here it will be if user dot email, then show us the email, otherwise we will show the warning, not error, right? Here it will be email. Save it, come over here, refresh. Now you can see we have got all the warnings. Okay, great. Now here instead of footer we want some buttons, so I will just spread out this. Now here I will give a link, a tag, sorry, not link. Here for a moment I will just give hashtag because we are not going to create any link right now. And here I give class equals to btn hyphen sm. I am writing this sm class because I want small button, and btn, which will be primary, and here I want, sorry, not there, I want to, let's say, delete account, and I will, instead of primary I will just give danger. Come over here, refresh, we have slash somewhere. Okay, we have got delete account button. Then we will also give some more buttons, let's say for resetting password. So I will remove this danger and I will give primary, and instead of delete account I will say change password, and here I will remove this danger and I will say info, not info, info only, and here I will give edit profile. Okay, save this, come over here, refresh. Now you can see we have got 3 buttons: change password, edit profile, and delete account. We will make this button functional later in this series. Okay, now we want to display all the posts which are related to the particular user only. Okay, so here at the very end I will give HR tag, and here in h3 tag I will say my posts. Then first I will just check whether I am getting the post or not. So here I will iterate the variable which we are passing. Okay, so we have not passed actually, so we will not be able to iterate. Now we will pass this. So you might be wondering that we are not passing this data here, but how we are able to access this username and all. We are getting the data from this user variable, and this user variable is accessible anywhere in this project, right? Okay, and the data is being stored in request, so we are finding this data from there only. Now I will just copy this, create variable of context, which will be, sorry, we need to give key, then value. In here I will write context, so copy, paste it. Now we will be able to access this, so I'll just close this navbar, go here, and I write for, here I will give post underscore data in user related data, and here I'll give h1, and it will be post underscore data dot name, which will give us title of the blog. So refresh, you can see we have got markdown, and if you go to home page, then you can see admin has posted markdown blog, right? So far so good. So I'm just going to remove this for now, and I'm going to find card for this. So again I'm searching the card. Okay, let's see which card will be better. This card is good, so I'll just copy this, paste it over here. Now I'm going to change the mode of language, which will be HTML, and I will just format this document. Good. Now I will change again to Django HTML. Okay, come over here, go to admin, you can see we have got this. Okay, now here instead of this quote I want buttons, but I want this quote here down below. So what I will do, I'll just copy this div tag which is containing quotes, and I'll paste here, so these quotes will come here below. Now I will just give footer, save it. Okay, now change this class header from header to footer, right? Okay, so here in p tag I want the actual heading, so I'll give post underscore data dot name, save this. You can see we have got that, and instead of this someone famous in source title, I will just remove here. I'm also going to remove someone famous. Okay, now here I want description, so post underscore data dot, I'll go to main models, and I want description, so I write description, save it. Okay, it has given us whole description, but we want only few, so I will just do truncate words, which will be 10, maybe not 10, let's give 20. Let's give 25. 20 is better. Okay, after doing this, we are going to create buttons over here. Okay, so I will say a tag. For now I am going to give hashtag only, and here I will write read blog, and class will be btn hyphen sm btn hyphen primary. Okay, then we will create button for edit blog and delete blog. So here edit will be info, and here I will write edit, and here I will give danger, and here I will write delete. Come over here, refresh. Now you can see we have got 3 buttons over here. Now good. So now I want one more thing, which will be the posted time, and I want just beside this title, right? So I will just do one thing. In this p tag I will write us post.data, and let's see post underscore date. I'll just paste that over here. Come over here, refresh. This is not looking good, so we want this line aligned right side. So we can do one thing, just select this variable, cut it. Now we will see greeting. Okay, we will do greeting, like 12 column will be allocated for this markdown and 12 column will be allocated for the posted date. So I will show you. Just create div and give class is equals to row, then create another div and give class is equals to call hyphen md hyphen 6, and take this post underscore data dot name here, and just replicate this div tag below, and just do another thing. Here I will write post date, not posted. So paste it. Come over here, refresh. Now we need to align this to the end. So I will give class which will be text hyphen and. Okay, this class is not working. Let me go to bootstrap.com and I'll say text alignment, and here it is. So it's text hyphen end only in p tag. Okay, so here it will be class text end. Let's see. Okay, we have got date over here, and I will remove this class from the div tag. Cool. Now here, instead of Feb 5 2022, I want something, I want in format like 2 days ago, yeah, 2 weeks ago, yeah, 2 years ago, something like that. So for that we have something called Humanize, right? Humanize in Django. So to first configure that, we will need to go to settings.py file. So settings.py, and here we will need to import that Humanize. So from Django contrib, I will just copy this, paste it, and I will write Humanize. So Humanize. Okay. Now this is imported in settings.py. Now we will be able to load that in profile. So here I will go for load and I will load it here. Come down here, post underscore data and post underscore date, and here we will give pipe symbol and I will write time since, right? Just save this, come over here, refresh. Now you can see we have got 3 weeks and 3 days ago. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. So in next video we are going to put these same buttons in blog detail page, and here that button will be shown only the user is equals to the author. Okay, so if I am logged in with admin user, okay, and if I want to edit my own blog, then only that button will be shown. And if I'm reading the blog which is created by Yash, then that button will be not shown here. So we are going to do that. So this is for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.